Hey guys, so what we have here is a 52-inch polished brass Casablanca Victorian. I got the ceiling fan from the 2024 Fanimation Crew Trip from Spencer Russian. Here's the control. It's a W11, really nice control. But anyways, yeah, start off with the light. On a bright setting, and let's do low speed. Really nice restaurant low speed. And also, I forgot to mention, I think this is from 84, but I don't know for sure. Yes, speed up the. This fan also has 6 speeds too, and this is gonna be speed 2. There we go. And this is my first time. Also, this is my first time messing with IntelliTouch. So if I get it wrong, my apologies. Speed 4. Speed 5. Here's the last speed. Speed 6. Get an undershot from it. Really nice. And spin down. And that's it. Thanks for watching.